स्टार्ट किए।
Okay. So how does the writer remember the baker? What kind of relationship the baker had with the children of the house? Who will answer this? What kind of relationship the baker had with the children of the house? Avinash? Okay, Pragya is present.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of relation the baker had with the children?
The baker was friend's companion or guide.
Yes, the baker was the friend, companion, and guide of the children. What attracted the children most? Was it the loaves of bread or something else? Dipendra Kumar Singh. Dipendra, what attracted the children? Okay, Dhruv Pandey.
Bread bangles.
Yes, bread bangles. Children were more attracted to the bread bangles. What did the children do once they got the bread? Dhruv Pandey. Dhruv,
Yes, ma'am.
what did the children do once they got the bread? Did they bother to brush their teeth once they got the bread? Did they bother to brush their teeth?
No, ma'am.
Why? What did they, how did they justify themselves for not brushing? Dhruv, you were not present yesterday?
Ma'am, I was. Ma'am, actually, the net was lagging, so I was entering, but didn't enter from then.
Oh, net was slow from your end? Or was there any problem in my voice?
No, ma'am. Net was lagging from my end.
From your end, okay. Okay, so who will answer this question? Why did the children not brush their teeth? What did they say to themselves for not brushing? Avinash? Acha, Himanshu Raj. Himanshu?
They eat.
Yes. Yes, Himanshu. Himanshu? Aditya
And they
Raj.
thought hot tea will clean their teeth.
They thought that hot tea will clean their teeth and they did not want to take so much of trouble. वो बिल्कुल भी जो है जाकर
hot tea.
हाँ, the hot tea one
Ma'am, lazy.
yes, they were lazy to pluck out the mango twig to brush their teeth. That was one reason they were lazy. Another reason is that they thought that the tea will wash away all the dirt of their teeth, and also they thought that tiger, being such a big animal, if it can eat without brushing, why not we humans? The tiger never brushed the teeth. So, okay. Bread was a very important part of the Goan culture. Marriage gifts are meaningless without the sweet bread known as bowl. Just as we give sweets along with the gifts. In their culture, people used to give bread bowl. Bread which is known as bowl. It is of sweet bread. Just as a party or a feast loses its charm without bread, If you see the Portuguese party, the Portuguese always use bread in their party, dishes with bread, party or feast. If there is no bread in the party or feast, there is no charm. Bread occupied such an important place in their lives. Not enough can be said to show how important a baker can be for a village. If bread was so important, it was very natural that the baker is also important, because he is the person who bakes the bread. If bread is so important, no occasion is complete without bread. Be it the giving of marriage gifts, along with the marriage gift, you have to give the sweet bread bowl. If it is a party or a feast,
मैम कौन सा चैप्टर है?
ये है baker from Goa. This is chapter 7. This is chapter 7, baker from Goa, of the First Flight book. Okay, so bread was important on all the occasions. अगर कोई पार्टी है तो bread के dishes बनते थे. अगर कोई feast है, then also bread was important. Then not enough can be said. So baker was also very important. The lady of the house must prepare sandwiches on the occasion of her daughter's engagement. If it is an engagement party, what must the lady of the house prepare? Sandwiches. So even in an engagement party, for us it may sound strange, but in the Portuguese culture, all this existed. Engagement party है तो उसमें क्या बनना जरूरी है? बिल्कुल sandwich. Daughter's engagement, cakes and bolinhas are a must for Christmas. On the occasion of Christmas, what is necessary? Cakes and bolinhas are a must for Christmas. Thus, the presence of the baker's furnace in the village is absolutely essential. Because bread is such an integral part of their culture, no occasion is complete without the dishes made of bread. Of course, in the bread also there are so many variations, but the basic ingredient is bread. That is a part of every occasion, be it a feast or an engagement party or any festival. On all the occasions, dishes made of bread was a part. So thus the presence of bread इतना important है तो baker भी उतना ही important है. बनाने वाला तो वही है, baker's furnace. The baker or bread seller of those days had a peculiar dress known as kabai. And the baker of those days, मतलब अब वो dress नहीं उतना prevalent है, लेकिन उन दिनों में, in olden days, what kind of dress the baker wore? It was known as the kabai. So it was a very peculiar dress, very, very peculiar, strange. So the dress that the baker wore were very strange. It was a single long piece frock reaching down to the knees. It was a single long piece frock. In fact, it is strange. Men wearing frock-like dress. Men wearing. Dhruv, you want to ask something? Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
You raised your
Yes,
hand.
ma'am.
पूछो ध्रुव.
यस मैम, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मैम ये ड्रेस तो अभी भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, मतलब अभी भी लॉन्गी टाइप का पहना जाता है?
अब कम हो गया, अब जो है मिक्स्ड है, बहुत लोग जो है ट्राउजर्स भी पहनते हैं, कुछ लोग पहनते हैं, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज
मैम लाइक
मेंशन।
फ्रांस,
हाँ बोलो।
मैम लाइक फ्रांस के बेकर्स पहनते हैं।
फ्रांस के, हाँ, लेकिन अभी जो है इंडिया की बात हो रही है। बेकर, हाँ,
यस मैम,
ज्यादातर वो ड्रेस वो लोग पहनते हैं बिकॉज मीन्स so that they can feel comfortable. They have to work for long durations in the hot environment. That is why that dress is stitched in such a way that it is very loose and they can feel comfortable in that. So the baker or the bread seller of those days had a peculiar dress, very strange dress. It was a dress like a long piece of frock reaching down to the knees. Gradually, now when the writer was a child, he saw bakers wearing shirt and trousers. Writer says that when he was a child, he saw the bakers wearing shirt and trousers, but the trousers were not full length. What kind of trousers the bakers wore? They were shorter than full length ones and longer than half pants. So the trousers that the bakers wore was mid length, means half pant से थोड़ा बड़ा लेकिन full long pant से थोड़ा छोटा, मतलब knee से थोड़ा नीचे. Longer than half pants but shorter than the full length ones. Even today, anyone who wears a half pant which reaches just below the knees invites the comment that he is dressed like a pader. Even today, if someone wears a quarter pant below the knee, then what the people comment? That he is wearing a dress like a pader, that is baker. So baker's trousers were longer than the half pants and shorter than the full pants. Even today, okay, the baker usually collected his bills at the end of the month. So baker used to deliver the bread every day, but he collected the bills at the end of the month. Monthly payment was made. Monthly accounts used to be recorded on some wall in pencil. और ये ब्रेड का जो मंथली अकाउंट है वो कहाँ मेंटेन होता था? डायरी में नहीं, किसी भी दीवार पर वो अकाउंट मेंटेन होता था. लाइक वी कीप द अकाउंट ऑफ द मिल्कमैन. Similarly, the people used to keep the account of the baker, but not in any notebook or copy. It was just on the wall in pencil. Accounts used to be monthly accounts used to be recorded on some wall. Baking was indeed a profitable profession. Why was baking a profitable profession? Who can tell me why was baking a profitable profession? Avinash?
Yes ma'am.
Why was baking a profitable profession?
Ma'am, because everyone liked it.
Yes, because bread was
Ma'am,
in
may I?
great. हाँ बोलो. हाँ, why not? Why was baking profitable?
Because the people there like the breads mostly, and
Yes.
that's why they had a long much of profit.
Yes, baking was profitable profession because one thing is that it is the staple food of the Portuguese, and it is a part of every occasion. So it is in great demand. Bread is in great demand. No occasion is complete without bread. Whether it is an engagement, whether it is a feast, bhoj. Feast means what? Grand party. Whether it is an engagement party, whether it is a feast, or whether it is the celebration of the Christmas festival, on every occasion, different types of dishes of bread are made. So it is in great demand, most demanded item. And naturally, it is a profitable profession. In the old days, the baker and his family never starved. The baker and the family never starved. He, his family and his servants always looked happy and prosperous. What is the meaning of prosperous? Who can tell me the meaning of prosperous?
Rich.
Prosperous.
Ma'am, prosperity, prosperous था. Ma'am, peaceful.
नहीं, prosperous means rich, wealthy. In the wishes, festival wishes that you send to people, you write, may God bless you with peace and prosperity. लिखते हैं ना? आयुष राज, what are you doing? आयुष राज, क्या बना रहे हो?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am,
not-
rich and successful.
Prosperity means riches. Prosperity means
Yes.
riches. Let me see, have I not
Ma'am,
disabled
the
that?
thing is,
Disable तो कर दो.
yes, ma'am, now it is disabled.
Now it is. Okay, so the baker usually collected his bills at the end. आयुष राज को पढ़ने में मन नहीं लग रहा है क्या आयुष? हाँ? That is why you are making a sad face on the screen. Prosperous means rich, wealthy. May God give you peace and prosperity. ये
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो बोलो ध्रुव.
मैम एक तरह से prosperous successful को भी कहेंगे ना, क्योंकि successful हुआ ये.
हाँ तो money
का
and
job.
success are associated in some ways, not in every.
Yes.
लेकिन उसका exact meaning अगर कहो तो riches ही है. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Their plump physique. Plump physique means what? Fat body. Was an open testimony. Testimony means public statement. Testimony. Testimony means public statement. Public statement about a character or quality. तो अगर जो है बेकर के पर्सनालिटी को देखें तो हम पाएंगे कि सारे बेकर जो है वो बिल्कुल हट्टे खट्टे. They were always fat. And this was a public statement that they are happy and prosperous. अगर कोई एकदम मोटा और स्वस्थ रहता है तो उसको बोलते हैं ना खाते पीते घर का. तो बेकर भी दिखने से कैसे लगते थे? बिल्कुल खाते पीते घर के. फैट, प्लम्प. And this was a proof that they were happy and rich. What was the plum physique a proof of? That they were happy and rich. Even today, a person with a jackfruit-like appearance. Even today, if a person is fat, jackfruit-like means what? Have you seen a jackfruit? देखा है कभी jackfruit? अभी तो मार्केट में बहुत मिल रहा है. What is a jackfruit?
कटहल
मैम
कटहल.
कटहल
कटहल.
Ma'am,
कैसा होता है? एकदम गोल और
yes,
मोटा.
ma'am.
कैसा होता है कटहल? गोल और
Yes,
मोटा
ma'am.
होता है. हाँ. तो today also, if anyone is round and fat like a jackfruit, then with whom he is compared to a baker. Why? Because bakers
Yes.
are most of the bakers, if you see, ज्यादातर bakers जो है वो
Ma'am,
fat.
मैम गूगल पे भी अगर बेकर सर्च किया जाए तो बेकर हमें ये जो एनिमेटेड फॉर्म में होते हैं वो मोटे ही दिखाए जाते हैं.
हाँ, तो bakers usually मोटे होते ही हैं ज्यादातर. हाँ, मोटे ही. Okay, oral comprehension check. Match the following. What is a must as marriage gifts?
May I answer, ma'am?
Okay, why not? Your
Ma'am, bread.
Ma'am, sweet bread called blow.
yes, marriage gift में दिया जाता है sweet bread called cool. Okay. Then for a party or feast,
Bread.
Ma'am, bread.
bread. Daughter's engagement,
मैम सैंडविच.
sandwich. Daughter's engagement, sandwich. Then for Christmas,
मैम केक्स एंड बॉलिना.
blow.
cakes and
Ball.
bolinas. So they are all different varieties of bread, but bread is the basic ingredient. What did the bakers wear in the Portuguese day? Will answer. What did the bakers wear in the Portuguese day?
मैम
Avinash? Avinash, what did the bakers wear? What was that dress known as? Okay, Himanshu. बेकर के ड्रेस का क्या नाम था?
May I answer, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Ankit.
Kabai, ma'am.
Yes, kabai. In the Portuguese days, they wore the knee-length frock. Knee-length frock called kabai. Kabai. And when the author was young, what did they wear?
मैम may I?
Okay, Dhruv.
When author was young, people used to wear a dress, shirt and pant which was less than more than knee length.
Shirt and trousers longer than half pant. Yes, more
Yes,
than
ma'am.
knee length. Yes, Dhruv, your answer is correct. Shirts and trousers longer than knee and shorter than full length pants. Shorter than full length pants. Okay. Then who invites a comment? He is dressed like a pader. किसको कमेंट किया जाता है कि he is dressed like a pader?
मैम
Ma'am, baker.
नहीं, कोई भी आज भी अगर कोई जो है इस तरह का ट्राउजर पहनता है जो कि
Yes, ma'am.
नी से बड़ा हो और
Ma'am.
नी से बड़ा और फुल लेंथ से छोटा. Even today, anyone who wears a half pant which reaches just below the knees, this person invites the comment because Baker used to wear this length pant. ये जो बीच वाले लेंथ का पैंट है, हाफ पैंट से बड़ा और फुल पैंट से छोटा, ऐसे पैंट्स जो है वो बेकर्स ही पहना करते थे. तो अगर कोई उस तरह का पैंट पहनता था तो लोग कमेंट करते थे कि ही इज ड्रेस लाइक अ पादेर. So the person who wears a pant longer than the knees and shorter than the full length pants, that person invites the comment. And why? Because it is the common dress. Because these kind of trousers were worn by bakers. Because these kind of trousers were worn by bakers. Okay, where were the monthly accounts of Baker recorded? Monthly accounts कहाँ record
Ma'am,
करते
I
हैं?
Some wall in pencil.
May I?
In a pencil.
Some wall in pencil.
Okay, Avinash, answer.
Ma'am, the monthly account of Baker were recorded on some wall in pencil.
On the walls in pencil. On the
इनकी
walls
जगह
in
width ज्यादा.
pencil. It's mentioned.
Ma'am,
यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है.
yes ma'am,
Monthly-
लेकिन width ज्यादा सही.
क्या क्या बोले?
मैम इनकी जगह मैम इनकी जगह विथ ज्यादा सुटेबल होना चाहिए था.
अच्छा, दोनों होता है.
यस मैम.
On time, in time, both we say. On time भी होता है. I reached in time. I reached on time. Okay, so
Yes.
in pencil. So last question, what does a jackfruit like appearance mean?
It is very big and soft.
Big, it means round and fat.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
may I?
Okay, Dhruv.
Jackfruit like appearance. Jackfruit like appearance means fat and plumpy.
It means a person who is fat and
Ugly.
plump. Like ugly nahi. Jackfruit mainly indicates the fatness. Fat and plump. Like a baker. Okay. और भी कोई क्वेश्चन है? Okay, which of the statements are correct? True, false है तो. True, false question भी ये latest pattern वाला question में true, false भी है. So which of these statements are correct? Pader was an important part. Is it true?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. True.
true.
Yes, so it is true. Pader still exist in Goan villages?
True.
True.
Ma'am, true.
True.
पोर्चुगीज चले गए लेकिन बेकर्स अभी भी हैं. The Paders went away with the Portuguese. Is it true or wrong?
Ma'am,
False.
false.
अभी भी वो हैं. The Paders still continue to wear a single piece long frock.
Ma'am, false.
false.
false,
अब वो शर्ट ट्राउजर्स पहनते हैं, लिखा हुआ इन ओल्डन डेज, लेकिन जब राइटर चाइल्ड थे तो भी वो शर्ट ट्राउजर पहनने लगे. Okay, bread and cakes were an integral part of Goan life in the
Ma'am,
old
true.
days.
Ma'am, true.
Traditional bread baking is still a very profitable business.
True.
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 अभी भी वो profitable है. The Portuguese have gone, but they have left some traces of their culture. The traces of their culture still can be found in the people who live in Goa. Still they eat bread, and so it is. Paders and their families starve in the present time.
False.
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 Okay. Is bread an important part of Goan life? How do you know this? इसका तो आंसर yes है. And how do you know this? You have to write all the things that marriage gifts are incomplete without bowl. Then sandwiches are prepared for on the occasion of engagement ceremonies. Then marriage and feast is incomplete without bread. Then even Christmas cakes and bolinhas. ये जो हम the 4 match the following which you did, you can write include all that. ये जो है ये सारा लिख के तुम इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्लीट कर सकते हो कि ब्रेड जो है वो गोवन कल्चर का इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट क्यों. तो यू कैन टेक योर आंसर फ्रॉम दैट. तो पूरा आगे. What was the question? Okay. So tick the right answer. How do you know this? You can write all the 4 occasions on which the bread is used. And then you can add that bread was also their staple food. Tick the right answer. What is the tone of the author? So you can do all these questions in your copy. All of you, are you maintaining the copy? 10 marks
Yes, ma'am.
internal assessment, 5 marks is for copy. So don't keep your work pending. As and when you get time, you do the question answers. और लिखने से तो फायदा ही होगा. When you write also, some things you can memorize while writing. As and when the chapter is complete, you do the question answers. Hopefully your school will reopen in the next month. Okay, so I'm ending the class now. Bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Good day, ma'am.
Good day all of you.